Established in 2008 and headquartered in Pudong, Shanghai, Shanghai Brothers Textile works in synergy with our branch factory, Brothers Knitting. Founded and managed by Mr. Winston Lan, our company is built on family values, uncompromising quality, and a vision for accessible global partnerships. With over 17 years of industry expertise, Shanghai Brothers Textile supports brands of all sizes by offering premium quality, low minimum order quantities, fast delivery times, and competitive pricing. Our capabilities span two core divisions: knitted garments, pullovers, cardigans, dresses, hoodies, and pants; fashion accessories, scarves, blankets, socks, gloves, and beanies, with an annual output exceeding 500,000 pieces. We maintain strategic partnerships with leading yarn manufacturers, including Consinee, UPW, MORO, Shinao, and Biella Yarn. These collaborations ensure access to the highest quality raw materials at scale, allowing us to offer custom yarn development, exclusive color matching, and unmatched flexibility. Our production capabilities cover a full range of knitting gauges from 1.5 to 16. Alongside in-house Stoll knitting machines, we collaborate with partner manufacturers equipped with over 200 Shima Seiki seamless machines, achieving an annual capacity of more than 300,000 knitwear pieces. Our reputation for excellence has earned us long-term relationships with clients in over 30 countries. We are a proud Double Diamond member on the Made in China B2B platform, a recognition of our commitment to quality, on-time delivery, and 100% quality-controlled products. What truly sets us apart is our people. Our in-house, full-spectrum team includes professional marketing, sales and merchandising experts, master knitters and technicians, as well as dedicated logistics and finance divisions. This integrated structure ensures seamless communication, superior craftsmanship, and reliable end-to-end service for our global clients.
At Shanghai Brothers Textile, we don't just deliver products, we deliver partnership and solutions.
With professional technical support and dedicated after-sales service, we empower both emerging designers and established global brands.
We look forward to building a long-term, collaborative partnership with you.